Welcome to Crypto Atlas, your daily source for whale alerts as well as market updates. Today, we're spotlighting two seismic events that are shaking crypto. First is a 6,389 Bitcoin Coinbase transfer, and then there's also a mega whale that's turning sharply bearish with a massive short position. So first, let's go ahead and talk about the Coinbase outflow. On October 9th, 2025, 6,389 Bitcoin, roughly $773 million, had been pulled from Coinbase into a previously unknown address, which is known as 1KKC. And what jumps out is that this is a near match to similar large transfers the last few days that have been to unknown wallets. I talked about those in my previous videos. And look, this isn't random. It strongly suggests internal rebalancing or cold wallet reshuffling by Coinbase or maybe a related custodian. The funds were split into multiple 124.87 Bitcoin chunks, and that is across fresh BECH32 addresses. It's a classic script behavior, not ad hoc trades. So yes, large institutional flows are in motion behind the scenes. And now onto the huge headline. This is breaking massive Bitcoin whale turns bearish. This is a post that came from Jacob King over on Twitter. So a single trader recently opened a $420 million short on Bitcoin through Hyperliquid, having deposited $80 million USDC and using over 5x leverage. The whale also sent $50 million to Binance, likely positioning to short there too. According to reports from Arkham and Look on Chain, this was timed intentionally to catch a downturn. And then in today's follow-up, the same whale is now sitting on $35.8 million of unrealized profit, or at least earlier they were, that they haven't closed the position. They're clearly betting on further declines. This is no casual bet. This is full conviction. So we have a perfect storm, a massive Coinbase redistribution happening in the background while the whale is executing a heavy leverage short bet. These moves suggest the whale could be positioned ahead of an expected pullback or maybe has intelligence that others don't. And what overlaps with this, which is pretty interesting, is the macro tension. So Trump is reportedly planning new tariffs on China, sending global stocks reeling, and that risk-off mood drives capital influx. Equities falling, traders hunting alternative plays. You combine that with institutional crypto flows and the stage is set for sharp swings. So what's the takeaway here? A whale just placed a bold bet against Bitcoin. They're already in profit. Meanwhile, Coinbase moves could reflect large holders are safeguarding assets or preparing for volatility. And with macro turbulence looming, this is not the time to ignore what smart money is doing. So guys, watch closely. The insiders may already be ahead on things, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. Now, taking a look, a quick moment here over on the Bitcoin charts. You do see a massive pullback. Yes, we see this across the board. Lots of other cryptos taking hits. Ethereum down over 10.5%. That's a massive hit there. BNB is down 4.56%. XRP is down over 9%. Solana is almost at 10%. Dogecoin pushing close to 12%. It is definitely a bloody red day. We did see a lot of crypto moves going up recently. This month is called October. Many people call it Uptober. XRP is still waiting to see if it has its moment here, but Bitcoin made some significant rallies to see some pullback. It's frankly not that surprising, but we are here. It's a major pull down. It's below that VWAP. We're starting to see the Bollinger Band widen even harder here. So it's a pretty volatile day for sure. And then the RSI is still within the channel zone. It's looking okay there. Okay, so plenty of room to work with if you're looking at it from a Fibonacci retracement. But right now, things are still looking okay. Just a really rough day here. We'll have to see how things continue to play out. I'll keep you guys updated. I do have a referral link for BTCC. You can find that down in the description below. And also, I'm over on Blue Sky at Crypto Atlas. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate my Patreon supporters as well as my YouTube members. God bless you guys, and we'll see you in the next episode.